Welcome to another episode from Giza Pyramids. Let's get into this. Japan will lift a ban on stablecoins after they introduce regulations in June. Okay, so what they're going to do is they're going to figure out which stablecoins will work the best. Probably going to be a CBDC is going to work the best for them. They're going to be changing the name of stablecoins or CBDCs to stablecoins. Okay, that's what they're going to do. Next up, you have Saudi Arabia Central Bank launches a CBDC experiment. Okay, so you know what? It's coming, guys. Just get ready. All nations around the world are coming out with their own stable coins. They're not going to call it CBDCs. Next up, you have Democrats pushing to eliminate the debt ceiling. We're at $31.5 trillion. And we're going to keep going up and up and up and up. It's never going to stop, and CBDCs are going to be your savior, or sorry, stable coins. Next up, you have TA, all right? So technical analysis. I really like this guy, Income Sharks. He's a great guy to follow on Twitter. He says, and I totally agree with him. He says, what about the TA suggests that the bottom isn't in? We erased the FTX capitulation event, have broken the major downtrend on the daily, and almost every trading signal has flashed by again. Once the FTX collapse happened, I said, okay, this is going to be the bottom. It only went down 11%. Bitcoin only went down 11%, which is pretty impressive considering Luna brought that thing down about 27%. So you're getting the law of diminishing returns for the bears, all right? So they got lucky with a 27% decline, and now they only got 11% with an $8 billion Ponzi scheme essentially from FTX, which is pretty impressive. That's why I said we've hit the bottom and we're going up from here. Okay, SBX, all right? So this is from Kaleo on Twitter. He says SBX just broke out of a year-long descending broadening wedge dating back to January 2022, simultaneously reclaiming the 4,000 level. This is bullish, guys. Like, I don't see why people are still waiting for $10,000 or $13,000. I don't think we're going lower. That's just me. Next up, you have 47% of millennials and 43% of Gen Z with retirement accounts in the US own crypto. So what you're seeing here is people learning about a market that is open 24/7, not the stocks and bonds, which is only open 5 days a week for a couple hours. Millennials and Gen Zs are, and in the future, are not going to put up with that. They're going to want 24/7 a free market. That's what they're going to want, and they're going to want to have their own coins in their own wallets instead of these CBDCs or stable coins that I've said. So, anyways, that's all I have today. Please like and subscribe. Check us down below if you want to see what coins we have gotten into during this bear market and how we are relaxing and chilling in Egypt right now. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.